Never make a permanent decision over a temporary feeling. And yes, at times we always have temporary emotions, temporary feeling. Like example, you can be excited negatively or positively. When you are excited negatively, you are happy. But when you are excited, when you are excited negatively, you are sad. But when you are excited positively, you are happy. Any emotion that comes in that brings you sadness or happiness, you should be careful. If it is temporary feeling, make sure you always don't make permanent decision. This is very common in politics. A politician comes and pumps people with propaganda, like Donald Trump is doing right now. Then you elect the person, then later on you regret what you did. You start thinking about the previous person that has so in life, like for example, when you're in a relationship, if you know that a feeling is not yet permanent, the feeling is temporary, don't make a permanent decision. Like in a relationship, permanent decision like saying, I'm going to jack you, I'm going to leave you, maybe husband or wife, boyfriend or girlfriend, I'm going to leave you off. No, don't make that permanent decision, because in the end, it leads to regret. And that's why it is always said that regrets are for fools. You realize that you made a permanent decision over a temporary feeling. Afterwards, you start again remembering the good days you had with the person, and then you start regretting why you are no longer with the person. You might have experienced this. Your wife or your husband might have maybe left you, dumped you. Maybe your boyfriend or girlfriend dumped you. That's the best example I can give. And then for no good reason or for small mistakes, then they later on come and start again pleading when you have already moved on. It becomes too late for them. So you who is watching me right now, don't fall a victim of those kind of permanent decisions. You need to take proper critical analysis for you to derive into decision, not out of a temporary feeling. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next one if you are subscribed. Bye bye.